Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the TV remote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will see the contact us button. So just click on that. And here, as you can see, there's a email section that's gonna pop up, and here you can send an email to them with any questions you have regarding the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.